Yesterday, Bitcoin has hit a very important support level, in my opinion, which I was showing to you. And basically what happened, let me show you the golden pocket, which I was looking at. I had some really nice confluence in this level, yeah. And as you can see, let's make it only to golden pocket. We had a first bounce off of the golden pocket. We went to the downside to touch the lower level. And we also had a bounce to the upside. As you can see, we even retested the golden pocket one more time, but eventually we went down. I was saying in my Discord actually channel that for me it is very important to take this high. Yeah, this high was very important for me to make a bullish market structure and go to the upside. However, we didn't take this. And yeah, I didn't take any long, so there is no lost money on the market. Yeah, so very simply what we are having is the bearish market structure. Yeah, once I don't have the bullish market structure, I don't look for longs at this area, in my opinion. Yeah, so the high was not taken, no signal to long. One very interesting, not important, but interesting thing I want to show you is the trend line. As you can see, maybe I need to zoom out so you can see where I have this trend line. Yeah, let me hide some things. So very simply, we have this trend line, uptrend line. Yeah, and we had basically a breakout to the downside. We retested it but broke it to the upside, and we have traded through this trend line a lot. Yeah, so that is why I am saying that this is not very important, but it is interesting. It is not important because it is not being respected very well, but as you can see, it is kind of respected. Yeah, so we had a rejection from the basically retesting this trend line. Also, as you can see, to the dollar retest to the high of this trend line, and after it we went to the downside. Yeah, really aggressive selling, I would say, but it was aggressive just because we had no support right here. Yeah, I was saying about it yeah, in my previous videos. So yeah, that is a little bit of interesting fact about the trend line. And let's see where we are right now heading, where we can see any support or resistance. We have touched the weekly level. Yeah, right here, as you can see, we have touched it, and we have seen a bounce already for 1.5%. Yeah, so that is really nice for day trading, for scalping. That's awesome. And for more upside, what is important for me, let me show you my fixed range tools. One very important level. I'm looking at this fixed range, yeah, which I took it from where this range started, yeah, till today. And what it gives to me, very simply, what is important for me, looking for this support, yeah, because some people in my Discord community, Discord channel, said that support is broken. In my opinion, it is, well, you could say it is broken, yes, because we went below of this support, below our golden pocket, but it can be just a fake out or deviation from the support, and we can reclaim it and go to the upside. But for that, what I'm looking is to reclaim value area low of this range, as you can see right here. That would mean that we should reclaim this monthly level, and the best scenario would be also to reclaim this point of control. Yeah, so that would mean that these resistances which we have right now are flipped into support, and it is possible for us to go to the upside. Yeah, so that is what I'm looking for: the value area low, monthly level, eventually point of control. And very simply, I'm looking for market structure change, because as you can see, we have a bearish market structure. Yeah, we are making lower highs, lower lows. Yeah, so there is no need for me to enter along unless we change the market structure. So that is what I'm waiting for. If we zoom out, also I want to show you interesting thing. If we zoom out, then we can see one interesting pattern which is going on right now. So if we take our Fibonacci retracement from this low to the high, make it the standard, where we have bounced from, the 886. Okay, let's make another retracement from the high to the low, 886. Okay, that's interesting. We can see that the 886 is being really nicely respected. What we can do right now also is pull another Fibonacci retracement and see where the 886 is. So it is right here. So that is the potential support level which we might have. And I have some confidence at this level, but I will talk about it a little bit later, because what I want to show you right now is if we are gonna see these higher highs and higher lows and lower highs, that gives to me a really nice triangle. Very quickly, I want to say to you that I have a new Discord community channel. The invite link is in the description, so you can join this channel. We can talk about the Bitcoin price action, about the altcoins also. You can ask your questions about trading, and yeah, we can have a great time there. As you can see, we would have some kind of well, something like that, yeah. So we would have to adjust it when the price is forming, but eventually this is another idea which we can definitely have, yeah. So that will be another thing which I would look for. So definitely, if we are making the higher lows but lower highs, that means that we are in a potential triangle, and this is basically a consolidation, yeah. So we would wait for another breakout for a downside or for the upside. So yeah, this is the one important thing which I want to show you. And right now the last thing is the support and resistance levels. Let's go a little bit into local price action. So very simply, what I'm looking at is if we'll lose this support, then basically I will look for 786 support. So that would be this line. Why it is important for me is if we again look at our fixed range tools, as you can see, we are entering into this range. That would be the value area low of this range, yeah. So we have a potential swing failure pattern of this low. That is really nice and easy trade if we'll have a swing failure pattern, yeah. So that is definitely what I will be looking for. And also we can see that we have right here a point of control, yeah. It is lining up with this value area low really nicely. However, this is not a perfect support level in my opinion. It is not very strong, I would say, just because we had a very weak market structure right here. So we went to the upside again really fast. As you can see, as we went to the upside right here really fast, we went to the downside also really fast. So right here it can happen the same thing basically, but we can go through this support level and don't find any support at this level, yeah. In that case, I have a support level a little bit lower. That would be the 886, yeah, which I was telling to you that the price is respecting really nicely the 886. Very simply, what is the confluence to me at this level? Well, I would look for a point of control of this little consolidation zone. As you can see, we had quite of price action, yeah, the indecision right here. Eventually we broke to the upside, and we left the point of control, which was not tested. So yeah, the untested point of control from the first touch, it should act as a really nice support. And if this is the case, well, we have a level from which we can react, yeah. So that is important in my opinion. And also that would be the monthly level, which is of course below our 886, yeah, at the 35k. That is the old monthly level. Let's go to the daily chart. As you can see, this is a very old monthly level, but it is being respected. That is why I left it on my chart. As you can see, we had a really nice support right here, from which we have created the daily level, which was retested already. And yeah, basically this is the monthly level which is being respected, and it is acting as a support. So we have our support levels for now, and let's look right now for a resistance. And very simply, the resistance which I would look for right now is, of course, that is the case if we find support from here. Then I would look for a resistance basically at this point of control, yeah, at this range point of control. A really nice level in my opinion. I guess it is the 0.5 Fibonacci level, yeah, very near to this level. So that is already one confluence. Also, what is important is that it is the previous week equilibrium. So as you can see right here, we have it, and it is a nice confluence. Also, as you can see, we have a little consolidation zone. That is the support which we had, but it didn't hold, yeah. So we had a really nice scalping reaction, but we went to the downside again. If we take, for example, a fixed range tool right here, you can see that it is also highlighting the previous week equilibrium. Yeah, but the most important thing which I am looking right here at is basically the channel low. As you can see, we had a resistance flipped into support, broken to either sides, but retested right here really nicely as a resistance, yeah. So that is what I'm looking at. For me, it is a very nice resistance in my opinion. One thing what is important, and that is more advanced, I would say you have to think a little bit more to the future, is that if we will retrace to the 886, for example, yeah, right here, right here, then what we would have is really nice confluence, the golden pocket confluence at this level, yeah. So right here, right now, we have a 0.5 confluence, yeah. But if we would retrace to the 886 and go to the upside, then we would have a golden pocket, yeah. So that is, again, as I said, this is more, you need to look more into the future to plan such things, yeah. So that is really it. It's already a very long video, as I see. So yeah, I hope you liked it. A lot of useful information, I think I said right here, because it is a very important level and time for Bitcoin price, yeah. So yeah, don't forget to join my Discord channel. The invite link is in the description. Right here we can talk about the Bitcoin price action, the altcoins also, I added it yesterday. And yeah, you can ask your questions about trading. We can talk about random stuff, and yeah, have a great time there. So have a brilliant day everyone. See you later, and bye.